Guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishments, where you learn different types of cake recipes, small chops, pastries and many more. So if today is your first time of watching my video, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting alert of my new video. I post up to 3 to 4 videos every week, and if you want to enjoy in this channel, make sure you subscribe, open your notification bell to be getting alert of new videos. To my old subscribers, you are welcome back again. Don't forget to ask questions, don't forget to like my video, feel free to share it to your friends, and feel free to invite a friend to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I made this beautiful, lovely red velvet cake. Looking so beautiful, so red, so yummy. Let's get started. For this red velvet cake, we'll be needing flour 1.5 cup, milk 1/2 cup, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour, vegetable oil 1/2 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 60 grams of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of scotch butter, sugar 1/2 cup, baking soda 1/2 teaspoon, red velvet powder to your desire, and a little of egg yellow to sharpen our red. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder to your flour. Don't forget to remove a 1/2 tablespoon of flour. Replace it with 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch to get your cake flour. This is my corn flour. I'm reducing it, removing it to add 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour in replace of it. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to your flour. Baking soda 1/2 teaspoon. Separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Pour in the egg yolk to your mixing bowl and continue mixing. Half teaspoon of butterscotch to your egg whites, well whisked. Half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Now you will add half tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, to your milk. You mix together to get your buttermilk. I poured much, so I have to reduce. So stir together, set aside. This is your buttermilk. This time you have to start preheating your oven. You can see. Set it aside. A little of your buttermilk, a little of your flour. These are your dry ingredients, a little and a little of your wet ingredients. Mix till you combine everything. Lastly, you will add your egg whites. My red velvet batter is ready. I'll be using a bread pan to bake this cake. Just line your baking paper on any pan of your choice and you pour your batter. I'll be using this to bake this cake. If you don't have a baking paper, just grease it with your butter and dust with your flour. You're good to go. It will still come out fine. Beautiful. Wow, this is looking nice. After 30 minutes, my cake is ready. So soft. Wow, 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 wow. You can see how red it's looking. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah, this is looking so beautiful. If you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? If this is your first time of watching our video, just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting alert of our new video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to ask questions, don't forget to share to your friends and family. Love you from Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Bye-bye.